Crowd of people, get around. Well, alright, rude boys, listen up. Come with it.
I see a clinic full of cynics who want to twist the people's wrist.
Now, well, alright, rude boys.
They're watching every move we make. We're all included on the list.
Come
The
people.
lunatics have taken over the asylum.
Them crazy, them crazy.
The lunatics have taken over the asylum. Go nuclear, the cowboy told us.
Come on, alright.
And who am I to disagree? Cause when the magnet flicks a switch, then nuclear will go for me.
Oh, you mean?
The lunatics have taken over the asylum.
Crowd of people, come and tell me, say.
The lunatics have taken over the asylum. I see their faces of starvation,
Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy.
but I just cannot see the point.
What kind of point?
Cause there's so much food here today that no one wants to take away.
Come
The
people.
lunatics